Hey, what's up guys? Super excited today. We got a 2022 Can-Am Maverick here. We couldn't put on the hostile Jigsaw UTV 15x10s BEADLOck wheels, pain in the butt to install, but super fire. And can't wait to do this build. I'm gonna share with you the process and the wheels and basically how we put them together. And yeah, man, here's the car. It's pretty lit. Enjoy. Yo everyone, about to move the vehicle up into the parking spot, but this thing is so cool, man. Little camera back there. It's so awesome. Put it in gear. Alright, unboxing. And this hardware kit. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful.